Good morning, Pop Pops Bees. This is swarm number 76 for 2022 in Kinston, North Carolina. They were on the satellite dish last night. The rain knocked them down, so makes it a little bit harder to get them up. Kind of wish I'd brought the bee vac, but you know how that goes. You need a Trailways bus to carry everything that you might need beekeeping and catching swarms. So we're gonna get this one here in the box and go home and work some bees in the bee yard. Pop Pops Bees, please like and subscribe. Have a good day.